Yo, yo, yo. Doctor, doctor, I got the flu. What do I do? Oh. Well, my prescription is to listen to lights, songs. Hallelujah. Oh. I had a way then, losing it all on my own. I had a heart stand, but the queen has been overthrown. And I'm not keeping now. The dark is too hot to beat, and I'm not keeping now. I am the biggest fan of light. This is my joy of lights. Notice the dark here, and she's holding a straw, just like in the picture, and there's a guitar, so all the heart and music symbol. I have all her media, posters, CDs, mugs, etc. I know all her songs and lyrics, and I'm starting a fan club so all my fans can join and appreciate her. And remember, lightsandnpop.com. Lightsandnpop.com. They are red, awesome, and naughty, dude. They are tight, fly, and off the chain. Now that's what I'm talking about. My professional opinion of lightsandnpop.com is two big giant thumbs up. Two big giant thumbs up. Listen to this guy. He's smart. Log on to npop.com. And remember, pick me, your next winner. Ciao. Wee! Do that dippity.